everybody, so I know I kind of look like crap right now and my hair looks like a mess. It's extremely old. Day... I don't know. It's also time for me to do a hair mask, and I got in the mail my Indian healing clay to try that mask out and do kind of like a first impressions thing. So everybody raves about this mask, about how much it works wonders on the face and hair, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it because I've always been meaning to buy it, and I just for some reason never did. It's huge. Yeah, 2 pounds. A lot. Like, it's as long as my face. So this is my hair right now. It's a mess. That's what it is. It's just a bird's nest right now and it needs washed. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo regular conditioners. I can't take myself seriously looking like this. I'm just gonna go wash my hair and I will be back looking a lot more decent. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I'll be back. I'll see you. Hello, I am back with my hair dripping wet. Wait a minute. My curls are actually like, for some odd reason, pretty defined to be out the shower. Alright, so I'm gonna start doing it in this little bowl here, and I'm gonna mix it with the spoon because you're not supposed to use metal, it says on the back of the bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna do equal parts of apple cider vinegar and equal parts of the Aztec healing clay. So I'm first gonna put in, I don't know, people do tablespoons, but I'm just gonna put a 1/4 cup, which is 60 milliliters of the Aztec healing clay into my bowl. So now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the apple cider vinegar. You're supposed to add equal parts apple cider vinegar or water to the clay. I like apple cider vinegar because it just has better properties than water and does more for my hair than water does. And pour it in. Oh my god, I'm satisfied. I am so satisfied right now. Yes! Like, I did this in a face mask before and I learned that the equal parts makes the mask extremely thick. So you're supposed to do equal parts, mix it up, and then depending on how it comes out, then you add more powder or liquid to the consistency that you like. You know what, for my hair, I like thicker masks, but I'm gonna add just a little bit more apple cider vinegar, just like a splash. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the way the mask turned out. Now, a lot of people add oils to the mask, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take some avocado oil and add that into the mask. I'm gonna do 2 of them. Alright. And mix that in thoroughly. So now I'm going to start adding the mask into my hair, and I'm going to section my hair off. So I'm going to start in the back and then move toward the front. So I'm going to take this back section. Okay, and I'm just going to take the mask, put like a spoonful into my hand, and I'm just going to start applying it. I don't know. I've never put clay into my hair before. I may have to make more, but I just started off with the 4th cup so that I can get an idea to how much my hair takes. I'm trying to detangle with it, but it's not working out. Oh, yeah, I should have changed my shirt. But you know what? For YouTube purposes, we're gonna keep the same shirt on. It doesn't feel right. I don't put clay in my hair. By the looks of it, I'm probably gonna have to make more of the mask, and I'm just gonna do the same thing with the 4th cup as I go along, just so you know. It feels so nice in my hands. Apply. This so doesn't feel right. Like, when I put masks on, they blend into my hair and make everything look pretty. I put on my cap and I do my thing. But it's gonna be different because it's clay, and it's like, how in the world? Man, this is so cool. Because I see this on YouTube, and now that I'm doing it, like, I'm so excited! And I see like some people really saturate their hair with this, and some people use less. I've almost used all of the mixture in my bowl, and I've only done almost half of my hair. So, and I still feel, I don't know, I feel like maybe this should be saturated more, but we're gonna just keep moving on. Honestly, this is cool though. Like, this is really cool. I'm so happy right now. Like, y'all have no idea. Oh, this is so cool! I'm done mixing again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of it to my hair. And don't worry, I'm gonna get my roots and I can see you worrying. I can feel the worry through the screen. I love how it just like foams up. Why does this look like Animal Kingdom's frozen chai? Like, it looks really tasty right now. I'm tempted to just eat it. I don't know what's wrong with me, I'm sorry. Okay, I added less clay to this one. Clay to vinegar ratio. Don't really like it that much, so probably gonna add just a tiny bit more clay to it. That's more workable. Oh no, my Adidas! Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bangs, and then I'm gonna get my roots and just add whatever's left of the mask into the rest of my hair. Now, you know what? I keep trying to detangle with this, and it's not working out, but I'm still gonna do it. Try not to get it on my face, because I already put my acne products on and my scar products on, and I don't want to have to like put it back on. That looks so freaking cool, man. I'm so happy. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and work towards the roots and just get all areas, areas that I may have missed with the mask, and I'm just gonna do my best to touch every hair on my head with this mask. Oh my gosh. And I don't know why, but this mask already, by the way it's just sitting in my hair, has defined my curls. It looks insanely cool. Or maybe it's just because like it makes the hair look lighter, and when hair's lighter, it makes your curls pop. That's why a lot of curly girls get like subtle highlights and stuff. I'm so happy. This is so cool. Who can I FaceTime right now? Who can I FaceTime? My hands are like really dirty. Oh no, it's my dress. I meant to grab this. Rest in peace, dress, you will be missed. So, now that my hair is fully saturated, I'm probably just gonna leave it, I'm gonna put a timer on for 20 minutes, see how dry it is, because I know a lot of people leave it to dry and then rinse it off. So, depending on how it is, in 20 minutes, we'll check on it and see how it is. Honestly, who? Somebody fight me, because I look good! So my 20 minutes are up. Yes. I feel so confident right now. Like, yes, yes. I don't know. I think it's just the fact that it looks like gray hair is like pumping me up so much. Like, I feel great. I feel so great right now. Oh my god. Look at my hair. Look how defined it is, yo. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I mean, I just love the way I look. It looks so cool. But it also has not dried fully, but I kind of feel like it's done what it needs to do to my hair. So let's try and see if I can go film me washing this out. Hi. Hello. Bear with me here as I figure out what I'm doing. Ah! Ah! Water's getting everywhere. It's cold. Well, it's hot. It's hot. Ew! Oh, my face! Ah! Okay, so before I get started on my hair, I just wanted to let you guys look at it one more time before it gets any product in it, so you can know how much it actually defined my curls. Like, whoa, my hair is so defined and so gorgeous. Like, this is what my day 2 hair looks like with gel, with moisturizer, and I think that is crazy insane. Sorry, I had to show I was about to curl my eyelashes. I just think it's absolutely insane how much this mask defined my curls. I still have a bit of the clay on my face. I don't really care right now. The mud was clinging to my scalp and I had to really like scrub and make sure that it would get out because like I don't want to have this mud in my hair all week, okay, until Thursday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like with my products in it. Hey everybody, it's later in the day, so I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys my final conclusions and how overall I felt about the product. So first thing I noticed is when washing out, have really make sure you scrub your scalp, everything, because it really clings onto your scalp, so you really need to make sure that you scrub it out and get all of it out, because I didn't. I may have a couple pieces like right here, it's still a little gray. Probably gonna have to do something about that, but yeah, so just always make sure you scrub it all out as much as you possibly can. And also another thing I noticed, that I had to use less product, which is kind of interesting. I put the same amount of moisturizer, but I used a lot less gel. They were just so defined, more than normal and clumped at the same time, and I just used a lot less gel, and I was realizing, and I was like, oh my gosh, my hair isn't like thick with gel. It just felt so soft, and everything went on really smoothly, like surprisingly so smooth. Like my hair felt so smooth when like applying my moisturizers and stuff. It was like ridiculously smooth and soft. It was absolutely amazing, and I really think that mask is like awesome. Like definitely would do it again. Like it's gonna be part of my routine for the rest of my life. So here's what my curls look like right now. So they're really shiny. And oh, I don't know if I said this or not, but my hair dried actually a lot faster than usual, and I think that's because I had to use a lot less product as well, so that was something I really liked. But my hair looks really defined and shiny, so it also was kind of like lengthened. It was kind of stretched out. I appreciated that a lot because I have short hair, and I just love when my hair comes out longer, and it's growing now, but you know, about to get it cut again, so hopefully we don't get all of it cut off again and restart. I'm gonna put the link to this mask in the description so you guys can check it out. They have the 1 pound version and the 10 pound version, or the 2 pound version, and I think the 2 pound is only like $1 more, and just get the 2 pound because it's honestly just, but I'll leave, it's $1 more, so I mean it's definitely worth just getting the 2 pound one. The glare on my glasses is going to kill me. So, hi, while you're here, before you go and before that end screen pops up, please subscribe. YouTube has now put a limit and I can no longer have ads on my videos, so I need to reach that 1,000 subscriber threshold. So, if y'all want to watch other videos of me doing a mask, you could click that end screen once it pops up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay crafty. Bye!